Today we can learn about total pressure and center of pressure. Total pressure means it is defined as a force that is exerted by a static fluid on a surface when the fluid comes in contact with those surfaces, and these surface can be either plain or curved. Total pressure means it is defined as a force that is exerted by a static fluid on a surface when the fluid comes in contact with those surfaces, and these surfaces can be either plain or curved. So total pressure means it is defined as a force exerted by a static fluid on a surface either plain or curved when the fluid comes in contact with the surfaces. And center of pressure is defined as the point of application of total pressure. Means it is defined as the point of application of total pressure. Here we can deal with two cases. Case 1, vertical planes. Here you can see a plane surface which is submerged in liquid. Okay, a plane surface which is vertical. It is not inclined. It is not inclined, but it is vertical and it is submerged in liquid. That is the case 1. Here we are dealing with two cases. First case is vertical plane surface. The plane surface is vertical. And second case is the plane surface is inclined. So first one, vertical plane surface which is submerged in water. You can see a plane surface which is vertical as well as it is submerged in water. So in that case, that is case 1, the total pressure F, that is a pressure force F, is given by an equation rho g ah bar. The pressure force is given by the equation F is equal to rho g ah bar, where h bar is the distance of center of gravity from the free surface, where h bar means it is the distance of center of gravity, that is the distance of center of gravity from the free surface of liquid. H bar means it is the distance of center of gravity. Here you can see center of gravity here represented by G. So H bar means it is a distance of center of gravity from the free surface of liquid. Here you can see the free surface of liquid as well as the center of gravity. So the distance between the free surface of liquid and center of gravity is termed as H bar. And A is the area. A is the area. H bar is the distance of center of gravity from the free surface. Here you can see G. G means it is a center of gravity. And P means it is the center of pressure. So G means it is a center of gravity and P means it is the center of pressure. And you can see the depth of center of pressure H star. The depth of center of pressure H star is given by the equation Ig by AH bar plus H bar, where Ig is the moment of inertia of area about an axis. So here in the figure you can see that it is a vertical plane surface and it is submerged in water. Then you can see the center of gravity G and center of pressure P. The distance between the center of gravity and free surface of liquid is termed as H bar, while the distance between the center of pressure and free surface of liquid is termed as H star. H bar means it is the distance between center of gravity and free surface of liquid, while H star means it is the distance between the center of pressure and free surface of liquid. Then the pressure force F is given by rho g H bar, Depth of center of pressure H star is given by Ig by H bar plus H bar, where A is the area and Ig is the moment of inertia of area. Now we can move to case 2. In case 2, it is an inclined plane surface submerged in water. Case 1, it was a vertical plane surface, but case 2, it is an inclined plane surface. Here you can see the surface is inclined at an angle of theta. In the first case, it was vertical, but in second case, it is inclined at an angle of theta. Here you can see it is a plane surface, submerged in liquid, but it is inclined at an angle of theta. It is an inclined plane surface submerged in water. Inclined plane surface submerged in water. That is the case 2. Inclined plane surface submerged in liquid. Again, the total pressure force F is given by rho g H bar, the same equation. That is for vertical plane surface submerged in liquid, the total pressure F was given by rho g H bar. Similarly, for inclined plane surface also, the total pressure F is given by rho g H bar. But the depth of center of pressure H star, the depth of center of pressure H star is given by the equation Ig sine square theta by AH bar plus H bar. So you please remind that the equation for center of pressure H star, the equation for center of pressure H star is different in both cases. For the first one, it is Ig by AH bar plus H bar. But for the inclined one, Ig sine square theta by H bar plus H bar. The equation for total pressure is same in both cases, but the equation for H star, that is a depth of center of pressure, is different in both cases. For the inclined surface, it is Ig sine square theta by H bar plus H bar, because here it is inclined at an angle of theta. It is submerged. It's a plane surface, but it is inclined. But the first case, it is a vertical plane surface. Second case, it is an inclined plane surface. So for the inclined plane surface, the depth of center of pressure is given by Ig sine square theta by H bar plus H bar. So we can conclude that the pressure equation, there is an equation for total pressure. The pressure force F is same in both cases, but H star is different in both cases. That is about total pressure and center of pressure. Okay, thank you.